Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we should start now this exercise. As I have told you, okay, this file will be uploaded in your Google Classroom. So I'm going to discuss the options available over here one by one. The first question is about the MCQs and objective type MCQs are there. The very first question is there on your page number 84. Choose the correct option. A is there. Okay, the tab that appears on the ribbon when you insert a picture, insert a shape in. जब आप एक shape insert करते हो, when you insert a shape in your publisher, in order to make this concept clear, I am going to open in front of you the publisher. Let me open the publisher. I am going to take a new file. Okay. If you go and if you insert a shape, we are talking about MCQs is about the shape. MCQs is saying that when you insert a shape, then which tab appears? Which tab appears when you insert a shape? Let me insert one shape over here, just like I have inserted one shape. So when you insert a shape, which tab is there which appears? So you will see that the ribbon that appears is basically drawing tools. This was not there when we did not have the triangle, but when we draw the triangle, then you can see that this ribbon appears. If I click somewhere else in the document, this will be disappeared. When I will click the shape, then drawing toolbox, this ribbon tab, complete tab, that is from here to here. This ribbon tab will appear when you will click on the picture or on shape tool. When you will click on the shape tool, you will see that the drawing tool is there. So in the options, there are different options, the text tool, drawing tool. But this is basically the answer, which is basically that we have mentioned over here. Okay. It also appears when you have a picture. Okay. It also appears when you have a picture. If I insert a picture, let's suppose this is a picture, then it will appear, okay, with the name of picture tools. Now you can see that the picture tools is the option that appears when you have got a picture, and when you have got a shape, then the option is called drawing tool. Hence, the answer is basically the drawing tool, because the question is about the shape. When the question is about the shape, then the answer is basically about the drawing tool. So drawing tool is basically the answer. Why? Because we are inserting shape. If we are inserting picture, then the ribbon tab is called click the picture. Then the ribbon tag is called picture tools. Okay. Nabiha, you want to ask Nabiha Asad. You have raised the hand, you want to ask something? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, loudly.
Sir, the question answers you are showing us now. So you have uploaded on Google Classroom or you will upload?
Today. In today's date, because we are taking the class today, na? So in today's date, it will be uploaded. The video will be uploaded and the exercise will be uploaded. I upload the videos as well whenever I take the class. I have already told you. Okay, whenever you have got the class, so I upload the video as well. Okay, anyway. Fine. So now, see the another MCQs which is there. It is with the name of B. The option in the illustration group on the insert tab that can insert a picture from your computer is known in your publication is options in the illustration group on the insert tab. What does it mean? If you open the publisher, insert में जाएं, insert में, find out illustration. Illustration, ये देखिए, these are the groups. I had told you these are the groups, pages, tables, illustration. अब illustration में क्या है? Picture भी है, shape भी है, online picture, pictures, all these are there. Picture, online picture, shape, picture holder. Is similarly in the building blocks, page, parts, calendars, borders, etc. In the text box, word art, insert file, etc. So we are talking about illustrations. In the illustration group, this is basically the illustration group. This is illustration group. So what is there in the illustration group? The question is about K. The option in the illustration group on the insert tab that can insert a picture from your computer in your publication. हम किससे insert करते हैं? From picture भी insert कर सकते हैं. We can insert using picture. We can insert the picture just like if I click on it, the picture will be inserted. We can insert the picture from online picture. We can search from the internet. Here is the Bing search. I had told you last time. I'm not going to do it again. You know about it. Okay, when you will find, whatever you will write over here, for example, flower. So flowers will come and you can find out any flower and you can insert in your document. Okay. So insert में all options are there. Illustration में picture, online picture, and picture shape, picture holder. Picture holder is used when you draw it. This is basically called the picture holder. When you click on it, you can bring the picture from file or from search or from drive. This is called picture holder. I had told you about the picture holder. Picture holder is basically a blank holder. Right now there isn't anything in it. But when you click on it, it gives you 3 options to bring the picture in your file. From your computer, from searching through the internet, or from your Google Drive, or from your OneDrive, wherever you have got the picture. So you can click on it and you can bring, for example, if I click on my computer and I can bring any picture from anywhere browsing my system. Rimsha, you want to ask something? You have raised the hand. Yes, Rimsha. Yes, I have opened, I have allowed you. Please.
Yes, sir.
You want to ask something?
No, sir.
Okay. Mohammed Yasir, you want to ask something? Why you have raised the hand?
Yes, sir. You can do more time how we bring picture from the internet.
How we can bring the picture from the internet? This is the option that I had already explained. When we go to the online option, we can write over here what we want to do. For example, flower. So when we will write flower, it will search different kinds of flower for me. I will click any one that I like and I will click on it. It will come in my document. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, can you explain picture placeholder again?
Now, placeholder is basically, देखिए, please, placeholder picture holder जो है ये, when you click on it, as I have told you, I draw one placeholder. अब ये क्या है? This is basically for the picture. If I am going to insert one logo over here, for example, I placed it here, but right now I don't have the logo. The logo is not ready right now, so I will place it over there. But when I will have the logo, I will click on it and I will bring it to my document. So if it is there on in computer, I will bring it from the computer. If it is in the Google search, I will bring it from the Google. Let's suppose if it is there on the
Okay,
Google
sir.
search, so I will go to the Bing search over here. I will mention, for example, computer logo. So picture placeholder is basically just a holder to specify a location where you are going to insert any picture after some time or in near future that you don't have right now. So it will be placed over there, just like this picture has been placed in the placeholder. Have you got the point, Iman Zafar?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Ariz, you want to ask something? Ariz,
Yes, sir. Can you explain how do you even how do you even insert a logo?
how we insert a logo?
Yes.
Right now I have explained how can you search from the internet any type of logo. So let me show you once again. Just like I said that take a picture placeholder. I take one picture holder, okay, let's suppose, and I draw it over here. If I want to change it, let's suppose, if you go to the online picture, you can also find out some logo. Let's suppose if you go to the Bing search, which kind of logo is required to you? For example, if I say school logo, search for some school logo. You will see that different types of logos will be available. You can click any school logo that you want. It will be inserted in your document. You can resize it according to your requirement. Or you can, if you click on the thumbnail, then it will also become a smaller size. Thumbnail option, this is the option of the thumbnail. When you click on it, any picture is there. When you click on the arrange thumbnail option, it becomes in the small size. Okay, you can place it anywhere. So I think this thing is now clear, I think. Okay. Rimsha, you want to ask something? So that now we should, I think, move ahead. Rimsha Zia, you have raised the hand. I'm not able to listen to you. Yes, please. Okay, nothing to say. Fine. So now we are going to the next question. Part C is there for the blanks. I am also explaining you and giving you the quick review of the things that are being asked. The group on the format tab under picture tools that contains the arrange thumbnail button is called, what is the name of the group? This group is basically called the arrange group. This is basically the arrange. In the arrange group, we have got this option, the option which is there where we can arrange the thumbnail, arrange the text, wrap text using around a picture. So this option which is used to make thumbnails, arrange thumbnail, is there in which uh, option, in which button? So basically the question is that the group on which is the group name, what is the group name where you have got the arrange thumbnail option. So the group names are, I have told you that these are the group names: adjust, swap, picture styles, arrange, crop. These are called group names which contains multiple buttons which are related to each other, which are related to a similar task. Okay, these buttons are basically related to similar tasks. That's why these are placed together. So these are placed in a same group. So arrange is basically the name of the group where we have got the arrange thumbnail option. Aliza Shiraz, you want to ask something? Okay, Nabiha Asad, you want to ask something? You have raised the hand.
Sir, can you explain thumbnails?
Thumbnail is basically option when you click any large picture. It will make it an icon like picture. ये देखें इसको छोटा सा कर दिया, ये बन गई. When you click any large picture, it will make it an icon like picture, but it should be picture, not shape. Just like this is a picture, if I click on the arrange thumbnail, ये देख रहे हो यहाँ आ गया, ये small सा बना दिया इसको. It will become small. Okay, it will become like icon. Okay, for example, if I have got a large picture, I want to make it a thumbnail. When you will click on it, you will go to the arrange thumbnail option. It will make it a small icon-like picture. This is called thumbnail. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Aliza Sarfraz, you want to ask something? Yes,
Yes, sir. I want.
please. Okay, now come to the next point. Option D is there. MCQs D is there. The option that arranges the text around a picture is called wrap text. ये देखिए आप यहाँ पे, you will find out over here. When you click on the, you can see that whenever we have got any pictures, so this wrap text option is there when we have got text in our document. So wrap text basically is used to arrange the picture around the text. Whenever we have got some text and the picture, so that picture, then when the picture will appear, so it will be arranged by the wrap text option. Otherwise, when the picture has got, so picture will come over the text. Okay. Next option is there, the option in the picture style group to add a border of a 2 point around a picture is picture border. For example, this is a picture. Okay. If you want to apply border on it, what option will you use? Number one thing is when you will click on it, when you click any picture, picture tools will appear. Picture tools in the picture tools, you have to find out borders, picture borders. Where is picture borders? I had told you, I had already explained you. These videos are there in your Google Classroom. Picture borders are there. Picture borders when you click the picture border, how much thick, in which color you want to give the border. For example, I say red. If you go to the picture border, the border is not visible, then increase the weight of the border. Weight of the border, it may be 1/2 or 3/4 or 1 or 1.5, 3, 4, whatever you want to take. Okay. So in this way, we can apply border. How? Select the picture, double click the picture. Picture tools ribbon will appear. Go to the option of the picture borders, take any color for the border and then increase the thickness of the border. Okay. 1 or 2 or 3, whatever you want to give to your border. Are you getting this point? I hope these all questions are clear to you all. So these all are the questions, MCQs that we have discussed. Okay, which are the options which are used. Now see that there are some other questions. The questions are basically about the descriptive questions about the Microsoft Publisher. Question A is there, okay, what are different sources from which you can insert picture? Already I have told you how you can insert picture. You can search from the internet, you can bring from your computer any scanned image that you have got from the camera, okay, and stored in your PC. So you can bring that particular picture from your PC, from internet, or from clipart, means stored pictures inside Microsoft Publisher's documents. So these all are the three options using which you can insert pictures. Okay. Then how will you swap pictures between a publication page and a scratch area? What is meant by scratch area? Scratch area is basically this area. This area, gray area, this is the gray area outside the page. Outside the page, this is the gray area, which is called scratch area. This is scratch area. Okay. One homework also I have given about scratch area. Okay, define a scratch area. So anyway, so how we can change the picture? The question is कि how we can change the picture. इसको हम कैसे change कर सकते हैं? We can bring any other picture by the swap option. So you will see that the steps are written over here. The steps to swap pictures between a publication page and a scratch area. In the scratch area, select the picture that you want to swap with the picture in the publisher. Okay. Then from the scratch area, drag the picture icon of the picture towards picture on the publications. And when the pink boundary is displayed, release the mouse button to swap the pictures. So over here you will see that in Microsoft Publisher, when you click any image, so you can bring it to any other image where you have got in your document, and you can swap it with your image, okay, by swapping, by dragging it to that particular, to that particular picture. Okay. Now the next question is that these are the simple step. I have tried to write it in a short way. Okay. Now see the list. Question number C. Let's list the range of graphics options in Microsoft Publisher. What are different options, you know, which are used to make graphical work? I would like to ask you this question, but before going towards this option, I would like to have a quick view about the attendance, that who are those students who are present. So I would like to record the names and the students. Okay. Okay, Ji. So I am able to see over here different names of the students, but most of the students are with their names, okay, and with their all the students are with their names, and most of the students are there with the classes. Some students are there that I can see are not coming with their names, with their classes. The classes are not mentioned. Why? Huria Mushtaba has not mentioned the class. Muhammad Umar Latif, you have not mentioned the class. Umar Latif. Umar Latif, you are in which class?
P1B.
Umar, why you have not mentioned your class?
Sir, I forgot.
But you should remember. You should remember this thing. I have told you a number of times. So next time, whenever you are coming to the class, you have to mention your class, okay? How will I identify that you are in which class? I will have to search out your name, okay? So keep in mind, next time, you should not be without mentioning your class, okay? You should mention your class, keep in mind.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, Ji. So we should move again towards our work that we were doing. So this is basically the file that I am going to upload in your document, in your Google Classroom. This document will be uploaded inshallah in your Google Classroom, and you have to accomplish this work. Okay. Then using your science book textbook, your question is there, using your science textbook as an example, evaluate the different graphics features. कौन से features use हुए? Whenever we draw the graphics, if you will consider your science book, you will see that pictures are there, charts are there, colorful text boxes are there. Okay, background, colorful backgrounds are there. So these all are the options which are related to graphics. Then in the homework, I have mentioned about, okay, you have to define what is meant by shape tool and what is meant by scratch area. Scratch area, I have told you today that the scratch area is basically the area where you place the pictures when you are not working on them. Means the gray area, the area which is outside the publication work, the gray area. This is called scratch area. And shape tool, you know about it, so you have to write about it. Shape tool is used to draw different kinds of shapes, you know, in your publication. So different kind of shapes are there that you can draw. So this is the exercise, inshallah. It will be uploaded in your Google Classroom, and you have to accomplish this work. And this is basically the work for this week. And I hope all the previous work is complete. I suppose that all the work is complete. There should not be any work which is left for the previous chapter, means for chapter 4, for chapter 3, for chapter 2, for chapter 1. Okay. Then afterwards, inshallah, we would like to do some lab assignment for this chapter. Some lab work is there in which we have to make some publication assignments. So inshallah, we will be doing according to the given task. Some tasks are there that I will give to you, and some tasks are there that we will do in our Zoom class. So in this way, we will be able to accomplish the complete chapter. So if you have got any question, you can ask, because our class time is about to over. Raise the hand if you have got any question. Safi. Yes, Safi. Safi, your voice is not clear. Okay, thank you so much. Write down your questions for the next time. Okay, inshallah, we will be discussing about if any question is there. Thank you so much, all of you, because the class time is over, and in this minute, the class will be terminated as the 40 minutes are going to be completed. Thank you so much.